Hey everyone, Joe here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today in the yard. It's my garden series. And today I'm going to be sharing with you a really quick little video. I'm making a couple of containers for the stairs at the front porch, and also a couple of other little containers here and there. And I'm going to also show you how I plant my canna lily bulbs. So it's a really quick little video. It's just so we get to spend some time with you guys, and I hope everybody's doing well. And I know, again, the weather's been crazy. I know down south it's been horrible storms. I hope you people that are down there are taking care, and I don't know, the world is just absolutely crazy. We had torrential rains here last night. It's very humid today, but it was cool this morning, and it's very humid right now, but we're expecting a lot of rain over the next few days, so I thought it was a good opportunity to plant a few things. You can see right behind me, my basil's doing pretty good. Here's my parsley, and here's some basil, and I have a couple of pepper plants right there as well. They got half times bigger in the few days that I've planted them. Okay, so stay with me, and I hope you enjoy this. Okay, so today, like I said, we're just going to do a quick little video. I'm going to make a couple of pots for my front porch, and I got these copper, faux copper pots. They're actually plastic, from Home Depot. And what I did was, I had a broken terracotta, the bottom of the pot, you know, the tray for the water. So I broke it up and I put it in the bottom of each one of these containers. Then I started to fill it with the Miracle-Gro potting mix, because it will retain the moisture for me, you know, especially when I can't get out 100 times a day to water. The next thing I did is I kept filling up into a level, so that when I place my pot, I can see the top where I actually want the top of my plant, which is right below this little lip over here. So I kept filling it up to that particular point. And now I'll begin setting in a couple of these diplodenias, the Rios, and I'm going to put the spike plant in as well right here. This plant right here, oh God, I'm trying to hold this and get this at the same time. Very unprofessional of me. And excuse me, the red star. So that's going to go in the center here. And again, we'll use the principle of the thriller, the filler, and the spiller, just like we did before. So this is just about the right level. So let me get those in, because I can't hold and do this at the same time, and I don't have my tripod. Okay, so now what I did was I put my spike in, my thriller, and then my fillers are the diplodenia, like I said. I put 2 here, and then I put 2 pink geraniums in, one in the back and one in the front. And then my spiller is going to be this, it's actually a ground cover. It's a succulent, but I'm adding it in here. Now what I did was I just placed them in, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in there, and I'm going to begin filling in the area with my dirt. This way it'll be all nice and filled in, and I'll give it a nice drink of water, and I'll show you when I place it over there. Okay, so I finished these 2 containers, and they're going to be on opposite sides of the stairs. And I think what I'm just going to do is I'm going to simply use a couple of these pots that I have, and I'm going to put 1 diplodenia in each one, because it's supposed to get bushy and mound-like, so it should fill in. And I'm not going to put anything else in it except that. So I'm going to fill that. I'm going to do the same thing, chop up this, put it in the bottom of the pot, the dirt, add the level, and then so next they're going to get a nice drink with this Miracle-Gro plant food, and then I will place them where they're going to spend their summer. Okay, so I put them on the stairs leading up to the door. So I put the 2 copper pots right there at the top, and then I put the other 4 on the other steps, and hopefully that'll all, like, you know, grow and cascade and fill in. Okay, so I have 2 diplodenia left, and I have this pot, which is, you see the front stairs are right there, and then I have this pot right here. So I think I'm going to put 1 in here, and just hope, I'm going to keep pinching it so that it gets really bushy and fills that in. It'll give me a spot. So I placed right 1 there, and then that pot right there, I left the hosta in it because I don't have any more Diplodenia. And then that one over there, you can see over there, I put in that white pot, and then the ones on the step, so it should tie in all together. Okay, now I'm going to just show you how I'm going to put in the canna lilies. Okay, so the last thing for today is the canna, or the canna, however you want to say it, C-A-N-N-A. They're lily. They grow about 6 feet tall with these beautiful flowers. Some of them have like a burgundy leaf, some of them have a green leaf, but you can see they're tuberous. And so here in New Jersey, they'll freeze over the winter. So what I do is I dig them out and I put them in a brown paper bag, and I close up the bag, and then I put them in a cool, dry place, usually in a spot it's around 55 degrees or so, and I just let them winterize, and now it's time to bring them out. So all you do with these then is you put them in the dirt like this, and then you cover them with dirt. So I'm going to make sure the tuber part is down and the stem part is up, and then I'm just going to fill it in with the Miracle-Gro. Okay, so you see what I did? I just put them in there, and I put some of the Miracle-Gro dirt on top of them, and now I'm going to give them a drink. And I will keep you up to date with these as they begin to bud and how beautiful they're going to get during the summer. Okay, everybody, thanks for stopping by. I'll be seeing you really soon. Take care.